I'm going to show you how to make tomato bruschetta. First, we need to chop tomatoes into small pieces. There are two ways to cut it. First, just chopping it randomly. Slice it first, then chop it like this. Or you can cut it leaving a little bottom like this. Not completely cut it. Then you can chop tomato easier and quicker with this second way. And chop onions into small pieces too. I like spicy, so I add green chili, but it's optional. If you want to add it, just chop it into small pieces like the other ingredient. Add ingredients shown on the screen. 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, about 1 teaspoon of salt, a pinch of black pepper, and just mix it. I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar. Then mix it well, and it's done. If you put tomatoes on the baguette, it's bruschetta.